In a world saturated with synthetic solutions, there's a certain magic in returning to the roots of beauty nature itself. For centuries, women have sought radiant skin through the power of natural ingredients, and today, we're rekindling that ancient wisdom. This isn't just about vanity. It's about embracing a holistic approach to skincare, nourishing our skin with the pure essence of nature. Join me as we unlock the secrets to a glowing complexion, crafting our own DIY face serum with love and intention. Our journey begins with 3-star ingredients: rosehip oil, jojoba oil, and lavender essential oil. Rosehip oil, derived from the seeds of wild roses, is a powerhouse of antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It's known to visibly reduce the appearance of scars and hyperpigmentation, revealing a more even skin tone. Jojoba oil, a liquid wax ester remarkably similar to our skin's natural sebum, provides deep hydration without clogging pores, making it ideal for all skin types, even the most sensitive. Finally, lavender essential oil, with its calming aroma, not only soothes the senses but also possesses antibacterial properties, helping to keep blemishes at bay. Creating your own face serum is surprisingly simple, a ritual that connects you to the ingredients and their transformative power. You'll need 1 ounce of rosehip oil, half an ounce of jojoba oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, and a sterilized amber glass bottle with a dropper. Carefully pour the rosehip oil into your sterilized amber glass bottle. This dark glass helps protect the delicate oils from light degradation, preserving their potency. Next, add the jojoba oil, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the rosehip oil. Finally, add the drops of lavender essential oil. This is where the magic truly happens. As you blend the oils together, visualize their potent properties infusing the serum, creating a personalized elixir for your skin. Section 5. The Ritual of Application, Unveiling Your Skin's Natural Glow. After cleansing and toning your skin each evening, dispense a few drops of your DIY serum onto your fingertips. Warm the serum gently between your fingers, activating its properties and preparing it for optimal absorption. Then, using gentle upward motions, massage the serum onto your face and neck, allowing it to penetrate deeply into your skin. As you massage, visualize the serum working its magic, revealing a radiant and healthy complexion. Section 6. Day and Night, Maximizing the Serum's Potential. While this serum is gentle enough for daily use, it's particularly beneficial as part of your nighttime skincare routine. Why? Because as you sleep, your skin goes into repair mode, and the potent blend of oils can work their magic undisturbed. During the day, follow up with a natural sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Remember, consistency is key in any skincare regimen. Section 7. Beyond the Surface, Long-Term Benefits for a Timeless You. The beauty of this DIY serum lies not only in its immediate effects, but also in its long-term benefits. With consistent use, you'll notice a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, thanks to the potent antioxidants in rosehip oil. Jojoba oil's balancing properties help regulate sebum production, minimizing breakouts and promoting a clearer complexion. And lavender essential oil's calming properties can soothe inflammation and redness, promoting a more even skin tone. Section 8. Nature's Gift, Embracing Sustainable and Ethical Beauty. By creating your own DIY serum, you're not just prioritizing your skin's health, but also making a conscious choice for the planet. You're opting for natural, sustainable ingredients and reducing waste by reusing your amber glass bottle. Seek out organic and ethically sourced oils whenever possible, ensuring that your beauty routine aligns with your values. Section 9. The Goop Glow, Your Journey to Radiant Healthy Skin. This DIY face serum is more than just a recipe. It's an invitation to embrace a holistic approach to beauty, one that nourishes your skin and soul. As you blend the oils and massage the serum into your skin, take a moment to appreciate the power of nature and the beauty that lies within. Remember, true radiance comes from within, and by embracing natural, mindful skincare, you're allowing your inner light to shine through.